Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, extremely high humidity, at least for this time of year. It's been helping to fuel some scattered showers and downpours. We go to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. And the activity has been off and on. At times, it's just kind of cloudy and humid. Other times, you get a passing shower, perhaps a rumble of thunder. These little tiny flecks of orange and yellow indicating where some of the downpours are located. You can see one now across the northwest corner of the state, just west of 295. And as it tracks off in this direction, it can slow down the evening commute at times in some of these downpours. Here's a close-up look. Even a rumble of thunder possible in some of this activity. And then other spots, it's just kind of cloudy and it's not raining at all. So it's kind of an off-and-on situation. That tropical air in place coming right out of the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean. So showers and thunderstorms likely. The timing is tough. We're going to do our best here over the next several days to show you which part of the day will be dry and which part will be raining. And we are watching the Caribbean. A new tropical depression has formed. May become the next tropical storm. More on that in just a second. Clouds and humid in downtown Providence. Off in the distance, you can see a little bit of brightening. The temperature in the 70s. The dew point extremely high. Haven't seen a dew point this high since probably back in July and August. South breeze at 17. Relative humidity very high. Temperatures now in most areas in the low 70s and staying in the 70s pretty much all night long. So a warm and humid night. Out across Narragansett Town Beach where we've had some showers. Mainly cloudy right now. There was a little hazy sun sneaking through about 20 minutes ago, but still the risk of showers along the south shore as well. You can see these waves of moisture coming up from the bottom of your TV set up the east coast, but also take note where it's dried out a little bit. Right in here off to our south and west. Some of this will try to sneak in for tomorrow, so we'll get a bit of a lull before more moisture from the tropics and the Caribbean stream up the east coast. And that's where a tropical depression has formed in the Caribbean. But you can see well in advance of it all this moisture up into the North Carolina coastline. So we have to watch this over the next 2 to 3 days as far as showers and thunderstorms. Here's the tropical depression. May become a next tropical storm, but a weak one, not anticipated to become a hurricane. So not overly concerned. Here it is by Thursday, and some of the moisture from this may enhance some of our rainfall towards the end of the work week. For this evening, just keep the umbrella on standby. Windy, warm, and humid. It's not raining all the time, but a passing shower or thunderstorm can't be ruled out. Now, starting with clouds and fog tomorrow morning, warm and humid at 72. Any showers ending, and we're in a bit of a lull tomorrow afternoon where we don't see much in the way of rain, clouds, a little partial sunshine. Very warm, very humid. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s along the south shore, looking at lower 70s, where inland areas somewhere between 75 and 77 degrees, along with that high humidity. At times, some partial sunshine, but a lull in the rain. And then more of it coming back on Thursday and Friday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms both days. Temps in the 70s. The good news, the weekend still looks dry, though much cooler. 68 on Saturday, only 64 on Sunday with partly sunny skies. So kind of a summery feel out there, and that'll extend for the next several days. WPRI.com to get your 7-day Futurecast. Some pretty heavy downpours. I know we were driving in. It was kind of tough, so take it slowly.
All right. Coming up on Eyewitness News Live at